how to rank for local SEO keywords using automation. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to do the local SEO. So first thing first, what you want to do is you want the GMB, Google My Business Profile. And then you need to target near me or nearby keywords. Okay, so the best way you can do and run an automation on it is using a wall. So if I go into the dashboard and click on SEO article, and here sell land without realtor near Florida. If you do that, then people who are in Florida search sell land without realtor nearby me, then they will get, we have a chances of ranking to that keyword. So if I click on view all, and here all the input goes, and what I can do is if you edit the input, and here you need to go into the structure, and here add a call to action is your website, and that's it. So in the internal linking, make sure your internal linking is good and images are good, and you can also include the keywords example, and click on save changes and then generate an article. So that's how easy it is to, the main important thing is you need to focus on near me and nearby keywords, and also focus on GMB and also reviews on your business.